Dear friends, welcome to my video on what is deep learning and machine learning. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Machine learning. Teaching computers to learn. Machine learning is like teaching your computer to think and learn on its own. Imagine you're trying to teach your dog to fetch. You show it a ball, throw it, and encourage your dog to go get it. In the world of machine learning, the ball is the data, and your dog is the computer algorithm. The cool thing about machine learning is that it allows computers to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every single scenario. It's like if your dog starts to fetch frisbees or sticks without you having to teach it specifically for each item. There are different types of machine learning. Supervised learning. This is like teaching with a guidebook. You give the algorithm examples, data, and tell it exactly what it should learn from them. For instance, if you're teaching it to identify spam emails, you'd feed it a bunch of emails and tell it which ones are spam. Unsupervised learning. This is more like exploration. Here, the algorithm looks at data and tries to find patterns or groups on its own. It's like giving it a pile of puzzles and letting it figure out how to sort them without any help. Reinforcement learning. Think of this like training a pet with rewards. The algorithm learns by trial and error, getting treats or corrections based on its actions. Deep learning. A special kind of machine learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, but it's like the super smart kid in the class. It's based on artificial neural networks, which are designed to mimic the way human brains work. Just like we have neurons in our brains, deep learning uses artificial neurons to process data. What sets deep learning apart is its ability to handle really large amounts of data and learn from them. Imagine trying to teach your dog to understand every human language. That's a tough one, right? But deep learning algorithms can handle complex tasks like this, such as translating languages, recognizing speech, or identifying objects in images. Deep learning requires a lot of data and computing power. The more data it has, the better it learns. It's like feeding a giant brain with all the books in the world. The more it reads, the smarter it gets. Why do these matter? Machine learning and deep learning are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. From personalized movie recommendations on Netflix to self-driving cars, they're behind a lot of cool stuff we use every day. Personalization. They help in making services more tailored to you. Like how Spotify seems to know exactly what song you want to hear next. Automation. They're making things more efficient, like automating tasks in factories or managing traffic flow in smart cities. Healthcare advances. From predicting diseases to personalizing treatments, they're playing a huge role in healthcare. Language processing. Ever used Google Translate? That's deep learning in action. Image and speech recognition. From unlocking your phone with your face to voice assistants like Siri, these technologies make it all possible. To wrap it up, machine learning and deep learning are like the magic behind the curtain in today's tech world. They're teaching computers to learn from experience, make decisions, and even think a bit like us humans. While they might sound complex, their impact is simple. Making our lives easier, more personalized, and, let's admit it, a bit more fun.